AMC Mayor and MLA Dipak Majumder attended the broadcast of the 132nd Mann Ki Baat episode at Ramnagar Mandal Office. The program was observed extensively across all districts, reflecting the party's commitment to grassroots engagement at both the Mandal and Booth levels. The event was attended by Dipak Majumder, Mayor of AMC and MLA. Reported by Chini, Khorang.
প্রধানমন্ত্রীজি মন কি বাত অনুষ্ঠান আজকে 132তম অনুষ্ঠান তো সারা দেশবাসী গভীর আগ্রহে মাসের শেষ রবিবারের জন্য অপেক্ষা থাকেন।
Tushar Kanti Bhattacharya, Anibas Das, corporators, Dr. Manoj Kanti Dev, nominated corporator, Amitabh Bhattacharya, Mandal President, and other party leaders and members were also present at the gathering. Reported by Chini, Khorang.